Hi, my name is Uwe and today I will show you how to repair a blue jeans. With the first tear or hole, she wants to say goodbye, our favorite jeans. Perfect fit and beloved part of our casual outfit. But there's no need to accept her farewell. If we ramp up the hole, our jeans will be a refurbished companion for the next years.
First of all, remove all loose threads from the verge of the hole. You need a patch of a discard jeans to underlay the hole. If you cut it diagonal to the texture, you don't need to finish it. The patch must cover the total hole. As darning yarn, I recommend Mettler's Denim DOC. With its polyester core and a cotton cover, it is the perfect thread for denim. Choose a jeans sewing machine needle. Place the patch under the hole and tack it. With short straight stitches and lines, sew forward and backward over hole and patch to seam them together. For smaller holes, some machines like my Bernina have a darning function. At least remove the needles, cut the withstand fabric of the patch, and your jeans is ready to wear.